What you are about to see occurs over a very decent amount of time.
Of amazing how-to-ness.
Stay tuned, but look at what we have done here.
Whoa!
Wait for it.
That is amazing!
Watch this.
And then you just push it in and pull it down. Whoa!
On to the video.
Woo! Your shoes tied?
We are turn 5 and we're still alive.
Yeah!
That was a dumb introduction.
Yeah, a little bit. But
Welcome back to Turn 5. We are in our lit garage from a project many moons ago.
yes,
It is cold on that side of the garage door.
very.
I don't know, it's very cold.
It's under freezing.
But in here, it's like our hearts.
Nice and warm and ready for home projects.
We are turning the Tiguan into an all-winter off-roading mega beast.
That's not what we're doing. I wish it was. I really wish it was.
Okay, well actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these new racks on.
Yep.
And then I did order new rims today, which you guys will see soon.
Oh, did you?
Yep, and no, not the Porsche rims, not the old Miata rims, but these new bits of, I think these are Continentals, actually. I got Blizzaks on the Porsche, Continental, Extreme,
Contacts, right?
Contact, Winter, Shedinter.
They're winter tires.
They're winter tires. Okay, so before we put these on, it is super simple. We have
Instructions.
instructions, which we just throw away. But these are original Volkswagen products. I'm pretty positive they're actually Thule.
They're similar. They're
Right.
It's ski holders.
So I'm gonna find English because we need two. There we go. What do we need? We need two measurements is what we need.
Measurements.
So in this kit, this is two pieces. The nice thing about buying genuine Volkswagen parts
Is everything fits.
and it works super easily. I'm not saying other ones don't work easily, but these do work very easily. These are two parts, two separate parts. You got the rail, and then you got the ski scissors.
Ski scissors.
So they're ski scissors. And they come in two different parts, but the whole package is roughly $600. Genuine Volkswagen from your Volkswagen dealer. Go pick them up, especially if you go to Volkswagen in Duluth. See my buddy Nick, and he'll say that we're idiots and show you to the service department.
Yes.
Is what he'll do. Okay, so one important thing to get these on, it's really easy. Let me run over here, kind of going back and forth. They give you these keys, right? So these begin like this, and they're locked. Okay,
Okay.
unlock it, open this up. In here, there is an Allen head or whatever this is. You just loosen that up a couple clicks. And then there's one more right here. Loosen up just a little bit and it slides in and out of here.
That seems pretty simple.
It is pretty simple. So then, and I'll show you how these things are really cool. I'll show you how they work when it's on the car.
Okay.
What I did, because I am completely OCD, and this does not make much sense, but I have these exactly even here.
Really?
Because
A little crazy.
I could not look at the car and have those on one side or the other.
You're crazy.
I am crazy. So now
He's crazy.
we are going to install these onto the top of the Tiguan. This could be our most successful
How-to.
we have ever completed.
Yes.
And it might actually work. So the first thing you want to do is you want to use the provided key, unlock these sides, and put them up like that. See, we've got all four of them there?
Yep.
What we're going to do is on the railings that are already on there,
These black pieces.
we are going to slide these over. Of course, you want to be careful not to
Screw it up.
anything. Yep. So let's put the camera on top of the Porsche and we'll show how easily this installation process is.
Okay.
Maybe with a little bit of music?
Yeah.
All right, let's cut to that. Sorry. All right, this doesn't require 2 people, but you should have 2 people.
It makes life easier.
What you want to do is loosen this nut up a little bit, which is done with that tool. Slide it over there, let it rest on the bottom. You rested?
Yep, I'm resting.
Now, the directions, we do not like them, but they say we need to be 0.98 inches. Turn 5, we're gonna round up to 1 inch from this base of this bar here. So,
And then your partner gets to studiously watch. Just like me.
how's it going watching over there?
I feel like I'm accomplishing a lot.
Oh, you are. Okay, there's that side. We're gonna come over to this side. You were really good there.
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
Never. Never, ever, ever. Have I ever.
You could have fooled me. You always want to make sure that you're not scratching anything either. All right, that's good enough for turn 5. Now you're going to use this provided hexagonal, what do you call it?
A quirky tool that VW has provided you, so you have to use their product.
Just tighten it up. And you want to make sure that these are down.
Make sure that it is properly affixed so it does not blow up in the wind.
There's one.
It could be a very entertaining sight if it blew off in the wind.
Only if you have a camera.
Yeah, you'd need a camera to catch it. Not physically, just so that you have the footage of entertainment.
Okay. Put these covers down. Ready to grab the backside?
Yeah!
I hope all you viewers at home are timing this because I feel like we are on
Record time!
record time. Oh boy.
Oh boy! We gotta go up and over. You nailed it!
Alright, again, the same exact thing. Got her in there?
Yep.
Okay, the first one, 1 inch from here. The second one, from the front to the back is our measurement, 29.52. We're going
29 and a half.
29 and a half. Don't scratch your car. You can bring yours up a little bit. I got 29 and a half.
Sweet!
Ready for this one?
Yes!
You were not that good that time. Just so you know.
Oh, shucks.
Okay, 29 and a half. Since I monkeyed with that side, I'm going to come back to this side. This is a good one that you want to double check your measurements. 29 and a half. Put the tape measure away. I'm feeling good about this one.
Are you?
Most successful turn 5.
How to in history!
We're nailing it. Tighten it up.
I think you're screwing rather than nailing.
If you're using a hammer, you're probably doing the wrong thing right now. Close that. Now the other side. Well, these would be very easy to take on and off. They do say you do not want to go through a car wash with them on.
Huh.
I'm not going to tell you to do it or not to do it. The book tells you,
Do not do it.
do not do it. All right, nice and secure. The last thing that we need to do is
Walk around with a key.
the handy key that they sent you. Switch from the vertical position to the horizontal. And you get the picture. I won't do the other sides. Make sure you take the key out. And then as always, you end any project with an awkward high five.
Oh yeah.
All right, if you guys liked what you saw, hopefully this was probably the most useful to the majority of users out there. But now we can put our skis on the car, from the car, back to the garage, from the garage to the car. All right, let's end this thing because I'm starting to get a little bit squirrely.
You're going off the rails. Make sure to click like and subscribe.
Till next time, guys, this is us teaching you
How to put things on things.
Bye.